Hello everybody, here's our Nikon SMZ-10a, what is about to be maintained and sent to Eugen or Zhenya for a jewelry kind of work. We can see the microscope itself is pretty clean. We can see its external condition is pretty nice, no obvious turnouts and definitely no scratches on the glass. Coating is in a perfect condition as it should. You can even see a serial number. It's pretty even number, you could say. So let's see what's optical condition and calibration of this nice looking zoom module. I have installed this zoom module at my stand. We can see how it behaves on a stand. So let's see. Here's our zoom. When I change zoom's direction a bit, we can see a little loss of focus here, not that much, but you would obviously see it with a keen eye. Now let's say about alignment. You can see that every objects are separated horizontally. That is not a problem for your eyes, and frankly, but not good, definitely. Now let's make zoom a bit bigger. Now we reached a situation when changes of dial direction makes a little change in sign of chromatic aberration here. Turns to green and yellow, turns to pink as it should, and offset in horizontal position is the same, not that much, and frankly it's not a problem at all. Let's make zoom a bit bigger here. Now we see that alignment is changed and all misalignment turned to the vertical positions, and frankly the value we see now is not that big. It's kind of 10-15 angular minutes. It's acceptable for normal 10x eyepieces, but still not that good. We are coming to the biggest zoom here. Now we can see offset moved to might be 20 angular minutes. It's a noticeable value that not that good to be left unchanged. And horizontal offset is close to 0 now. And if you can tell easily, when I change the direction of turning my zoom, we see a bit of focus shift happens here too. That is not that bad, but I'll try to fix it. So let's return back to our lower end. Now vertical offset, change. But when I change direction of zoom in the center range, vertical offset changes a bit, not that much, but I can see it easily. And when we return to the lowest zoom position, we can see that focus is very strongly went away. Here's a bit magnified position. And when I change a dial, just press it to position but don't turn, we can see how chromatic aberration changes its sign. And by the way, focus is getting loose and returns when I turn to other positions. So we could say that this zoom module is not that bad as it might happen, but not that good as it happens too. When I rotate the zoom body, we can see how those offsets change too. And if I close one path or another path, we can see real pictures of both channels separately. Okay, so I hope I can fix all those issues, because optical and mechanical, this zoom module is in perfect condition. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Bye bye.